Hello, I'm Matheus Cruz, and today I'll show how I can help you automate repetitive tasks using something you already have, your web browser. People usually spend a lot of time moving data around. For example, let's say you have a list of clients on Google Sheets, and you need to transfer the data to a customer management application. Most people would just start copying field by field from the spreadsheet to the application. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it once, but it can take many hours and even days to repeat the same steps for hundreds of clients. Not to mention that mistaking a single field can create a lot of problems down the line. Let me help you with that. I developed a customizable browser extension to automate this kind of task. All you need to do is to click on the extensions icon on your web browser, and it automatically starts transferring all data. Clients get registered one after the other in a very fast way and without any mistakes. There is no need to buy expensive tools for a task like this. Just get more out of the browser that you already have and stop copying and pasting all day long. Get in touch to learn more and let automation do the work for you.